Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply this pulse line effect to an object in a video on the CapCut mobile. So import your video and duplicate it and make one of the video as overlay like this. Remove the background of the overlay, so click on the remove PG auto removal. And after the background is removed, you need to copy or duplicate the overlay. So let's go back and duplicate it, put it at the bottom like this. So there are two overlay with no background. Now go back and go to the video effect, find the pulse line video effect under the glitch category. Okay, find the pulse line. Let's find it. This one. Adjust it like this. So for the twist, go for 50, speed 0, range around 15, intensity 0. The color you can go with 0 and the glow 100, soft light around 70, and the blur 100. Click on the check icon, apply it for the entire clip. Now click on object and choose the first overlay. Click on the check icon and this is the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.